Wondering how to make the most out of August Learning Solutions' free instructor resources? Then stay tuned for part 1 of a 3-part series on utilizing our instructor resources in your course. Today's topic: test banks. First things first, what is a test bank? A test bank is a curated set of questions used to assess knowledge and comprehension. Our test banks are comprised of multiple-choice questions. Now, why are multiple-choice questions helpful to learning? When students are given a question that has more than one possible answer, they must think critically about the problem and decide which answer is correct. This process helps them develop critical thinking skills and prepare them for real-life situations. Next, utilizing the different formats we offer. Our test banks are available in Word documents as well as QTI files. Word files allow easy editing of the questions to best fit your course. QTI files allow you to upload our test banks directly into your LMS, enabling automatic grading and the ability to have instant feedback for you and your students. Lastly, our test banks are organized by chapter or module, making it easy to track your students' progress as you cover topics in your course. Now that we know the basics of our test banks, let's talk about a few ways to utilize them in your course. First, quizzes, exams, and self-assessments. Simply print the Word files or set up your QTI files as a quiz and have your students complete the questions once you have covered the material in class. Use these as gradable assignments or allow your students to use them to reflect on material they need to revisit. Second, class discussions. Use the test banks as questions to start discussions in class. Ask a question to the class, allow them to respond, and explain how they came to that answer. This allows your students to hear others talk about how they break down a problem and think critically about the solution. Third, team trivia. Divide your students into teams and provide them with a whiteboard or pieces of paper. Ask a question and allow each team a short time to discuss and write down their response. Your students will need to focus on teamwork, a necessary skill in healthcare, to solve problems. While we have only highlighted a few ways to utilize our test banks in your course, we hope that this inspires you to make the most out of our instructor resources. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below and tune in next month for part 2. If you'd like to learn more about August Learning Solutions and how our content can work for you, reach out. We can't wait to work with you.